Hello guys, in today's lecture I'll be teaching you how you can create a menu in Visual Basic 6.0 just like this. Well, my name is Mike Tibello and I'll be guiding you. First and foremost, let me restart all over. Should open another new one, new project. Don't want to save this. Yes. Now you can actually locate an editor from here. Editor tool, menu editor tool from a tool here. Look at it in a menu bar, menu editor, or alternatively you can use Ctrl E to access that. You still have it here in a toolbar. Here. Alternatively, you can click on that. Now here we go. You click here. Now the first one, maybe I need it something like file. The name should be MNU, which stands for menu. MNU file, no space please. Then you click on next. Now the next one, under file, we should have, click here. Under file we should have something like new, menu new, that's the name. You click on okay, let's add control for it, which is Control N. Whenever you are creating a menu, you should follow the standard convention used in creating a window. So Control N stands for new. Whatever it is in Windows is new. So you should try and follow the convention. Click next. Then the other one, open. Then menu, open. Then the control should be Control O. Look at it here. It should be under here. Control O. Then you click next. Then save. You can have save under file. Menu, save is Control S. Click next. Then print is the next one. Menu, print, click next. Assuming I still want to insert in between here, I can now click on insert. Maybe I want my print to be there, just like this. Print, menu, print, maybe here I should have, or maybe if I want to delete it, I can click on delete and that one will be deleted. Do I still want to add something? You click on next. I want to add export. So under file we have new, open, print, save. Okay, I have print twice here, I should delete one. So under file we have new, open, print, save and export. Now the next tab we're going to create is insert menu. Okay, you click on next, then you click on this left arrow, click on insert, a menu, insert, you click next, then under insert we should have insert table. I want to put table, a menu, table, then click on next, then insert picture, you need picture, a menu, picture, then you click on next, then I still want to add shape, a menu, shape. Please use shape, you shouldn't add space, there shouldn't be a space between the name here and the name, so they must not contain a space, so you should get rid of that. So assuming there is a space like that, you click OK and it will show you menu control must have a name, click OK and correct it. A menu, look at what I'm doing now, a menu, export, just trying to show you errors that you need to get rid of. Click on OK. Look at this, there shouldn't be a space between them for you to get rid of this kind of errors. Now close it, make sure all the names are closed, no space between them. Export here shouldn't contain a space, the name shouldn't contain a space. Now I still need to add something. Page layout, click here in your left arrow, page layout, page layout, a menu, page layout, no space. Next, under page layout you need to have, maybe I need to have margin, a menu, margin, then next I need to have orientation, a menu, orientation. Okay, I can now generate my menu. Click on OK. Not a legal object, menu shape. Okay, we see there is a space between them, so we need to correct it. Menu shape, no space please. Can now generate for menu shape, correct it. There shouldn't be a space. cross check the names. Ensure they follow the standard naming convention, please. Okay, just delete this, I don't need it. Okay, click on OK. Look up here. So this is my menu which I've just created. The menu I just created. Maybe I still want to add something. Assuming I want to add under print, I should have print also. I'm just assuming. You can still increase this at sorry. Enter, insert, sorry, I say under print, you have insert. If you click, click on this arrow, right arrow, you have print now. Let me just make it print now. Print now. The name MNU print now, and hit OK. Yeah. Look at what happened there. Look at it. So I still have an extension of menu, of sub menu. So what if I want to connect a form to this new? Can connect a form to this new, or to any of the menu. Alternatively, maybe I want to connect it maybe to table here. Double click on the table. Okay, I need to create my form, to add a new form. Look at it here look at it here. You can create a menu, a form. Create a new form. Look at it, open. Now we have form 2. You have 2 forms in your project now, which I want to connect to one of the menu here. Okay, I want to connect it to table. Double click. It takes you here. Now in between, you type the name. The name of the form is form 2. Look at the name, the form 2. The other form is form 2. The name is form 2. The object, right click, object, look at the name. Name is form 2. So in your menu there, you need to reference it the way the name is there. Okay, so form 2, sorry, okay, insert table here. Now here we go. In between here, you type form 2, which is the name of the second form, dot show. Okay, let's try running our program now. Click here. Now look at your menu which you just created. Let's try the table. Click on the table. It now shows the second form which we've added to the table menu, table sub menu. Well, if this has helped, please do well by sharing, commenting and subscribing to my video channel at MTECH Tutorial Hub. See you next time. Thank you very much.